It is a windy day here today at Epcot. You can see the wind coming across. Look at the ocean here. It's really choppy today. It's really windy. Feels great. What's this called?
Right now we're at Norway, but we're about to be in Mexico.
And that's where at?
Like right over there.
It's Epcot. We're in Epcot. We're in Epcot. Huh? Look, Mandy's mad. Oh, look here. We just got, oh my gosh, just in time for Elsa. Elsa, look, come here, son. Elsa's coming. Stand right here. Look at this. We got a cavalcade here. We got lucky enough to get a cavalcade here. Right here.
Let's make sure we're still here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Look at that. That was so nice. We're gonna wave at Elsa when she comes by. Wow, it's Elsa. So look at that. Oh wow, look at that. It's Elsa. Wow. Just came off of the ride, he said. So glad you made it. Look at that. Isn't that so nice of her? Look at that pretty horse. It's so beautiful. Look, it's Anna. Say, hey, Anna. Hey, Anna. Oh, we just came off your ride. We just came off of your ride. Look. That's so neat. It's so neat now, too. I've seen these cavalcades on Tim Tracker's video and Paging Mr. Morrow and some of these other ones. Disney Food Blog. They're all great channels. So that's what gave us the idea, you know, watching these other people film this stuff. We're going to do it too now, so that's what we're doing. Man, that was so neat. We caught it here at Disney, a cavalcade. We just came off of the Frozen ride, and then, lo and behold, but Elsa and Anna came down the street on us. Wasn't that something? What a blessing. What a blessing, Disney. We really enjoy these cavalcades. Wow. All right. Say for now. Peace. We are in the... What is this? What's the name of this ride? The Three Caballeros. That's where we're at. Pinata as well, I think. Celebrating the what's the festival called? Day of the Dead. That's right. Although I'm waiting for the Day of the Living. But that's a whole nother topic. All right, look here.
Excuse me, have you seen a duck? Hey! Wrong duck! Goodbye!
Over here we have, if I'm not mistaken, people diving. There's Donald. There's, oh, that silly Donald. Look at him. There he is. The video with the famous Disney fireworks. There it is. We know the fireworks have been canceled, but We can still see them here. We can still see them here. We can still see them here at the Three Caballeros ride in Mexico at Epcot at the world famous Disney World.
Oh, wait, Dad! Look.
Here they are. This the feather.
We're poverty amigos, no matter where he goes, they want to and treat us. We're artists together.
Look, guys.
Stars to guide us.
Whoa.
Ignacio desire to play as we go. We sing and we samba, we shout. What means ay caramba? Who it is? I don't know. Caballeros, they say
What a
we are
great
birds of
ride.
a feather.
All right, we see the fireworks. There they go. That means it's time to go, people. We'll see you. Remember, be the best and be blessed.